G'day friends, Andy here. For those about to rock a guitar, you'll want your guitar pickups to look and sound a certain way. And to do that, you might want to take the covers off your humbuckers. See, this guitar has two humbuckers, as you see. One has the cover on and one has the cover off. And I'm going to show you exactly how to take the cover off the pickup. Okay, so this guitar is my Cort M900, which has two humbuckers, as you can see. One has a cover on it and one doesn't have a cover on it. The covered pickup is the original, and it's a no-name pickup, and it's not exactly what I had in mind. This is a Damasio Evolution pickup, an old Steve Vai type pickup, and I love the sound of this in this guitar. It's not exactly your high gain instrument, but this high gain pickup seems to suit this and has a big, beautiful, rich sound. So what I want to do is eventually in the next couple of days put a new pickup in there. The pickup I want to put in there is this one. What do we have here? We have a Seymour Duncan JB, which is a high gain pickup that Seymour Duncan make, and it probably matched this Damasio Evolution. And to kill two birds with one stone, I think I'll take the cover off the pickup. So how do I take the cover off? Actually very easily done. The point of the video is though, actually not many people know that this is possible at all. So how do we do it? If we turn the pickup over, we'll see that we have two soldering joints there and there. And if I break those joints, I should just be able to pull the pickup out. So let's try it. So if I move that out of the way a bit, I'm going to give myself a little room here and grab an old trusty steak knife just to break the soldering joints. Let's see if I can do that with a bit of pressure and a bit of a wiggle. More pressure, more wiggle. And it looks like I've done it on that side. Let's try it on this side. Bit of pressure, bit of cutting action, bit of wiggle. Now you could also use a soldering iron to do this, but this is probably the easy way. I'm not getting my soldering iron out today way of doing this, and I may just have done that with the second soldering joint. Okay, so it looks like I may have broken both the solder joints, but I'm not really sure. But I will try to pull the pickup out. And I can feel some movement. Nope, I don't think I've done it. Or steak knife time. Yes, I've definitely done it there, and yes, I've definitely done it there. Let's try and pull it out. And we have success. If you have a look there, we have our JB Seymour Duncan neck pickup and our cover. So now if I pull my guitar back in, that will mount in there in the next couple of days, and we'll wire it up and we'll have two somewhat matching pickups. So there you go, a job easily done. So why do this? Yes, there's the aesthetic reasons, but also there's another reason. It actually sounds a little different. You take that off there and it actually sounds a little brighter. There are YouTube videos where that happens, and I didn't believe it until I heard it myself. Last thing though, if you own a 1959 Les Paul, this is probably not for that guitar. It goes without saying it's going to devalue it greatly. And if you own a 1959 Les Paul, give us a call. I'd like to play it. So until next time, subscribe, and for those about to rock, I salute you.